Good evening po and good morning. So this is your climate here, Captain Jonel Dimata Baptista po, the user of decade na ng Green Technology Oil. And this is my course, 2010 model of Montero. So magme-maintenance po ako ngayon, which is 169,093 kilometers na po yung run. So every 5,000, I use 1 GTO Classic. So I used to be po, ito po yung aking nilalagyan. But of course, let's check po muna yung ating oil. So maintenance po yan. And ito po ang ating oil. So if you can see po, this is the oil which is for 2010 model. So yan po yung langis niya kung gaano kalinis pa. Di ba po? So you can see it. So kung gaano kalinis po. Diesel engine oil ang makina. So, ganun po siya kalinis. Nakikita nyo naman. So, normally po, 5,000 kilometers ay nagtatapap ako ng isang GTO Classic. Ito po, tatapap ako ng isa. So, normally po, yun po yung itinatapap ko ng ating GTO every 5,000 kilometers. And ito po, once a year lang ako ng 80. And during the time of 10 years po, nakadalawang beses pala ako nitong lagay ng aking GTO Max. So, I maintain po nito for the every 5,000 kilometers ay subok ko na po yung sinasabing fuel efficiency. So, for me po, it's about 41% yung namomonitor kong efficient less sa fuel. And sa maintenance po lahat, ang wala lang po sa aking langis dito na classic ay aking compressor kasi yun ang hindi ko nalalagyan ng palagi because kailangan ng maintenance. But of course, yung steering oil, yung gear oil, transmission oil, at main engine oil, ako na po ang nagme-maintenance. And thank you, Sir Pedix, for your great technology of Green Technology Oil. Again, to God be the glory po. Gigata, salamat po Ama for this GTO, amazing product of Filipino. Ang environmental protections na langis para hindi po tayo magsira ng ating environment. Ang Silent Climate Hero po, yours truly, Captain Jonel Dimata Baptista, proudly GTO user. Thank you po.